It's way early morning, like 6:30, 40, 6:35, something like that. We're down here to Moab for the car show. Got the old hot rod here, looking horrible as usual. There's an old white hot rod over there, but we'll go. I'll get it ready to go and we'll leave here in just a little bit for the car show. Sitting in line. This year they put the line the opposite direction as normal. When that green car started right there, it smoked so bad. Alright, we're in the park. They're not playing music, so I thought I would hurry and get a scan around here. Still a lot of people to come get in the park right now. But I got the hot rod in here. I'm one spot over from my spot I've been a whole bunch of years in a row. This thing's pretty cool. Moab car show. I'm only going to video a few vehicles this year. In the past I've done a lot of them. And it's been a lot of repeat vehicles, so. This thing's pretty cool. The old lady wants one of these pretty bad. It's kind of cool old square body. It's a pretty cool old truck. Something like that would be pretty cool to build. Maybe someday. This thing's pretty cool. Old Jimmy. It's pretty clean.
I love those seats.
It's pretty cool. This thing's pretty awesome. We've seen it here a few times. It's kind of a different outfit. A lot of cool stuff here though. Green Camaro. So Impala's pretty cool. 396. This thing's pretty awesome. Pretty beautiful. And there's the old lady, and there's an old C10. Check this thing out, it's pretty cool.
Put a bigger gas
Roadrunner. It's older than the old man's. I think the old man's is a 72 or something like that. Pretty cool. White stripes. It's pretty awesome too. That one's got a cut down top. This one's pretty cool. I love them tops like that. That top is cool. That thing's freaking cool too. There's a fan shroud in that. It's kind of cool. Home Impala. Freaking beautiful. That green truck was parked next to me a few years ago down here. This blue truck is the first time I've ever seen it was down here. And that's kind of what inspired me to do my 66. I've seen this cracked piston car. It was out dragging Maine last night. It is beautiful. That thing's pretty too. That thing too. That is freaking awesome. This thing's pretty cool. It's got a diesel in it. It's Jesse's. So I know the guy pretty good. Thing's pretty cool. Sparkling. I don't know if the phone comes through in it or not. There's that diesel. And I know Jesse just did a video about the winch he put in it.
Frank has a car.
Yeah, Frank brought down this little Jeeper. Thing's pretty big. Pretty cool.
They must be walking around.
They must be. There's Frank's little Jeep. It's pretty cool. We'll leave Frank another sticker right there, just for fun. That thing's freaking beautiful. I don't think I've ever seen this Corvette here before. The Nova. That thing's pretty cool. That's pretty awesome. There's this truck. I'm pretty sure I've seen it around here before. I've got a old highboy kind of like that. Mine's a 67. That thing's pretty cool right there. That's on a way newer frame, out of like a Tahoe.
Yeah, and I'm just like,
pretty cool. Thing's pretty awesome. I gotta take advantage of when I can, and there's no music. I wonder why this one's parked on the outside instead of the inside. Thing's beautiful, and it's a manual. thing is freaking huge. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Yeah, that's pretty cool too. I like that cup. Thing's pretty cool. Little slug bug. It's pretty cool with its tray and its air conditioner in the window. That thing was out dragging Maine a lot last night. Seen it quite a bit. It's got that sparkly cool roof. It's pretty cool. I think I've done a video of this fan once before. I don't think it had that on it when I did it. That is pretty cool. How cool that dash is. It's pretty neat. Check that old ride out, the old Fury. That's pretty cool. The thing's pretty cool. I don't know about yellow, but that is pretty cool. This thing's pretty freaking cool. Last year this was here and it had the old bias ply tires on it.
Yeah, we went all the way over there.
I like it. Pretty cool. These slug bugs right next to my truck.
Oh yeah. Take care. Thank you.
It's pretty cool. The car show's over, so now we're just out watching hot rods go by. Like that. Maybe another one come by. Maybe not. I don't know. There's an old hot rod over there. There's an old hot rod. New hot rod. There's a hot rod. And a cop. There's been a lot of cops out tonight. Camaro, old Chevy, bunch of dipshits on motorcycles. Comes a cool gasser. Black car over there is pretty cool. Side by sides. A subway van. It's a cool old hot rod. Not a hot rod. Not a hot rod. Truck with the cam trailer and the diesel. Maybe the old hot rods will get out and about a little bit later. Hopefully they do something cool when they come by, these two lowriders. Heck yeah. Right on, brother. That was the two I wanted to get. Truck's cool. This old car is freaking badass. Look at that thing.
Started.
Then we catch a red light right at our hotel.
Yep, there's our hotel.
That's where we stay down here usually. Cactus Jacks. The other side of that sign right there. The other side of that sign says burn out for the boys or something on it. We're headed home. cut-in table right there at night. I want to stay there someday. I don't know. We'll see. I'll look at the ground floor and then go see what he did from the balcony.
Yay, going home to Moo Moo.
Yeah, we made it home from, God, that shut worse than normal. Made it home from Moab for the car show. The old hot rod did pretty good, cruised right down and right back. I got a lot of stuff I got to get cleaned out of it, but we're going to go in the house. There's the old lady's new car. She wants to take it to some shows now. But, had a good trip. Made her home. It was stormy, rainy, but other than that, it was pretty good on the way home.